Hey Excel, today our video will be learning how to set up and install an LED light. So this is an example of one. They're all fairly similar. They've got a lot of buttons in the back and then a plug-in for the cord. So what we want to do is take the cord, find an outlet, plug it in, boom, light goes on. What we're looking for is the RGB. So if you hit menu on any of these units, you see it says menu there, it will filter through a bunch of different settings. We're looking for one that'll say RGB. So that happens to be this one. The R is there. We want to select it. And it'll let you scroll between 255 and 0. So it'll go all the way from 0 up to 255. Let's try and make white for now. And white will be all three colors maxed out. So that'll be 255 there. We've got the setting and we hit select to lock it into place. Hit the menu again. We're back to R. Now to get to G, you just either go up or down. So we'll go up and there's G right there. We want to select that. It's preset already to 133. So we want to scroll all the way up for this to 255. To match. Again, we're trying to get the color white, which is all three colors at the same level. So 255, all three colors, or 150, all three colors, just changes the intensity. So we set the green to 255. Again, hit menu. We're back at green. Now we want to look for blue. Hit up or down again. There we go. Blue. Select it. Set at 195. I want to go again to 255. Oh, 255 there. Set it, and it resets it there. We go back to menu to lock it into place, and you can see on the wall that is white. So if we want to change it, let's say we want to go to all red, for example. Then we're going to get rid of the blue and the green. So let's do that. We're on blue. We select it to get the color. We'll go to 0 on the blue. And so now we're only going to have red and green. You will see the color change once we lock it into place. Lock it, boom. It gets to a much more sort of orangey color because that's red and green sort of mixed. But we want to get all red. So we get to menu again. We're looking for the green to be able to get it just 100% red. So we'll go and we'll look for green there. We hit up or down. You can just keep scrolling if you need to. But green is there. We select it. Again, we're going to go to 0 on that. Nothing changes until you hit select again. Boom. And there we go. Now we've got all red on our light. We can hit menu again to lock it into place. And that is how you set colors. If you ever need a specific color that's odd, let's call it, orange or pink or purple, just Google it, figure out what the RGB is. So if you Google RGB fuchsia or RGB pink or what have you, it will give it to you. It'll tell you like red, 75, green, 212, blue, 68, whatever the color variation is, and then you just match that on your RGB on the light. All right, have a great day.